So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website for you can download the driver. You can see, just click to this search button, and after that model number, enter your model number of motherboard which is required Z790 UD, and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Then find out this one Z790 UD. Just click on it. Then click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10 11. So both installations process same. You just see this video and you can download. So first guys, we have to download the all driver, then I show you how to install. So first audio driver, this is audio, and this icon to download, just click it. After that you can start downloading. Okay, so same, it is one by one download. So chipsets, lot of driver showing here, so no worry, you just install download serial or enough installer and just click to download. Slow down, Intel NF installer, and just click to download. And then LAN driver. So first one, and always try to latest. And then VGA, Intel VGA driver. Then click to download. Now you can see this is start downloading. Okay, so first complete, and then just click on this icon, it will show the download folder. Okay, so first extract all, and after that one by one install. This is all driver required for your system. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one. And this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next. And no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.